Hi, I'm Miss Shannon from the Bemis Public Library, and today I have a fun indoor activity that has to do with gardening. It's from this book called Gardening Lab for Kids, 52 Fun Experiments by Renata Fossen Brown. And the activity I chose was seeds in a bag. It's really simple and takes few materials but has quick results. So all you need is a Ziploc bag, a wet paper towel, and you stick it inside, and then you can take some dried beans that have been pre-soaked and you can set them inside the bag. And if you want to anchor them with a staple, you can, so that they stay in one spot, and you can seal the bag up, hang it up in your window, and you can watch your dried beans grow from seed into a plant. And I want to tell you about another great program we have for Summer of Reading. It's called Nurture Your Nature, and it's in partnership with the Arapahoe County Colorado State University Extension Program. Now, the Master Gardeners have created a great checklist for getting outdoors, and all you need to do is choose 15 activities, and once you complete the 15 or more, if you like, you can go onto our website, complete a survey, and get a certificate. So go to bemis.marmot.org, go to the children's room, and on the left side you'll see the Nurture Your Nature tab. And here you'll find the checklist, some other great resources, and then the survey to complete for the certificate.